spotlight, check this out. It's voice activated. Bright off. Floodlight. Bright on. Bright off. Spotlight. Look at that. It's pretty neat. Not only can you do voice control, but you can also use buttons, of course. It's got buttons right here on the top. I'm going to turn it off, give you a closer look at it. So you have your flood and your spot. You can have one or the other on. Bright off. You can turn the voice control on and off using this button here, or you can manually do it like this. So you can see I can cycle through. I won't blind you. If you double tap it, it goes to max, okay? We're gonna bring this down to basement, but you can also, so you can see how bright it is. It also has this nice band, which is very comfortable, and it's very sticky. Not, you know, it's sticky enough that it sticks to your head. It comes with this box. The box also includes a USB-C charger. That's how you get power into it. It's got a nice battery in it. So what we'll do is we'll go down to basement and I'll show you. So there's an American flag there. So that's spot. That's flood. That's everything on bright. And then we have another setting here where you have flood and spot. So very bright, very nice flashlight, feels really good on your head. It's light. You can see I have flood and if I double tap this, it's the max. All right, so I'll turn it off so you can see. There you go. Bright off. Oh, I don't have the voice activation on. Bright off. There you go. So pretty neat flashlight. Yeah, check it out. What do you think? There's an indicator right here. It tells you how much battery's in there. You can see I've been playing for a while, actually. I need to charge it. But yeah, there you go.